Come here, Tank. Up. Good boy.
Hi, boys. You're a big boy. You're a big junior boy, huh? Thank you for letting me touch you.
You're welcome. You can say hi to Tank. The music was making him nervous.
So adorable.
Don't bother him, please. Service dog. He doesn't like to be talked to, touched, pet, nothing. You can say hi to Tank all you want.
Yeah. No worries, man. No worries. What kind of dogs are they?
Mastiffs.
Bull mastiffs, pit mastiffs?
They're mixed. He's the father of this one, and then his mother's a purebred French Mastiff.
Okay, wow. Killer. Wow, they're humongous. See you, Tank. See you guys.
You want to say hi to Tank? Tank, come here. Hey, come here, buddy. Come here. Sit.
Leon, look how big the dog is. You want to say hi to the doggy? Yeah.
Say hi to Tank.
Say hi. Oh my gosh, they're huge. Are they supposed to be this size, or are they just?
Yeah,
bred?
they'll still get bigger.
How old are they?
He's 4.5, and he just turned 2. Father and son.
God. Oh my goodness. Oh, so he's still got some growing.
Yeah,
Oh my goodness. Are they pretty friendly?
yeah.
Guard? They're not guard.
There's 4 more at home. I have an 8-year-old special needs granddaughter, and they're great with her.
They are.
Yeah, they're called Gentle Giants, and they're absolutely great family dogs.
What dogs are they?
Mastiffs.
Mastiffs.
Search hashtag that guy with mastiffs online. Just Google it. You'll find all our videos and everything else. Have a good evening.